Hi, today I'm reviewing the Geek and Gorgeous 101 Sea Glow Serum. And really quick, I just want to say I purchase all these products with my own money. I'll never waste your time with sponsored ads or videos, so if you want to help support the channel, check out nobsbeauty.com, join my Patreon community, or click on the links below. Okay, I've been meaning to review this one for some time, but Geek and Gorgeous is a brand I really absolutely love that I've tried everything that they have now. And you know what? There's few brands where you can try almost anything from their line and enjoy it. There's not a lot of brands. There's very few, but these happen to be one of them. Isn't Tree Heavens be another one? So anyway, so finally get a chance to review this one, which I love their APAD serum. It made such a huge difference. And this one is also very nice. So they call this a super light, water-like, 15% vitamin C plus extra antioxidants, ferulic acid, and a smaller amount of vitamin E formula to give skin environmental protection, boost collagen, and even the skin tone. All very nice. So, okay, on to my first criteria, my Sarah score scale, which is packaging. And not totally in love with the dropper bottle, but it's here to stay. It's like hyaluronic acid. It's never going anywhere, and every product will show up in it. Geek and Gorgeous does sell for like $1, I think, a really small one. So that's really nice. So you can decant some of it. And if you want to have it available on your countertop and then keep this in the fridge or whatever, no issues with that. So it's also pretty affordable. And I guess dropper bottles make a product more affordable versus spending a ton of packaging. So I get it. Okay, in terms of denatured drying types of alcohol, this does not contain any of that. It's also fragrance-free, has no real noticeable scent, maybe a light vitamin C scent. But in terms of the manufacturing location, this is made in Hungary, so no issues with that. I'm part Hungarian too, which I hope to get there sometime in my lifetime if I can ever travel again. Okay, ease of use, and then I'll do a quick pH test. Let me do the quick pH test first. Okay, so pH of vitamin C, you really want it to be below 3.5. In order for it to be absorbed into skin and function as vitamin C. So let's check that one out quick. This one looks spot on. I would say it's right around 3, maybe a little bit above 3. So the pH for this one is spot on, so no issues with that. Sometimes you never know. So ease of use, this one has a really nice water texture. And it smooths over skin really easily, absorbs really quickly. You want to use this personally. I always recommend using it in your morning routine because it really helps your skin fight off environmental damage and sun damage. Vitamin C helps sunscreens work better. And really nice water texture, absorbs quickly. And then you can apply moisturizer, sunscreen right over it. No issues with pilling. Has a really water texture, so if you have oily skin and don't like the thickness or greasiness of other vitamin C serums, this one's a really nice option. So I'm very happy I finally used it. Mine is starting to turn, it's pretty golden still. They make theirs fresh every week, which is great. Unlike other brands like Drunk Elephant or Tarte, where they make them like once every year or something, or once every 5 years, and by the time you get it, it's already dark orange. We don't have that problem with them because they make it fresh. Timeless does the same thing. Wonderful. Great that they do that. So the fact that mine, I've been using it off and on now for several months, and it's still not dark orange is wonderful. So there we go. So you can also use this in the evening if you like, but definitely use it in the morning. Okay, antioxidants and beneficial ingredients. And I love this sets to kind of a natural finish. So, okay, so we've got 15% ascorbic acid, which is the good stuff. It's not a derivative. Derivatives, we're not 100% sure how great they are, but this is the proven, the good nectar that everyone should be using. 15% of it helps boost collagen production. Let's see. It also helps the skin fight off environmental damage, helps with skin brightening. 15% is a good percentage of vitamin C. Generally can go up of regular L-ascorbic acid. Upwards of 20 is about the highest you want to go. So if you have sensitive skin, 15% is still a good amount. Okay, then we've got ferulic acid in here, good antioxidant. Also helps stabilize the ascorbic acid and also helps the ascorbic acid work even better. Boosts its photoprotective abilities. And also ferulic acid, when used on its own, has photoprotective properties. Then we've got vitamin E, fat-soluble antioxidant. It also helps vitamin C work better. It's primarily, vitamin E, when you use it, primarily helps with UVB rays and helps prevent sunburn cells and reduces the damage caused by UVB rays. But when combined with vitamin C, you get both the UVA and UVB kind of defense. But don't ever use it in place of a sunscreen. Just because it helps with those rays doesn't mean you should ever use it on its own. Okay. In terms of animal testing, the nice thing is this is cruelty-free, gluten-free, vegan, and it is also fungal acne safe. So there's not a ton of those. So it's very nice that it's fungal acne safe because there's not a ton of products that are available for people that are very prone to that. Okay, in terms of performance, I'm very happy with this one. I love this. It feels light. It works well under sunscreen. It works well under moisturizer. I do notice since I started adding this in my routine, my skin got a little bit brighter, which was nice. And the fact that this one they're making it fresh so it lasts longer so you don't feel like you have to hurry up and use it. It's wonderful. I love that. In the future, I think I would only ever repurchase vitamin C products that I know are made fresh because there's no point in buying something that's old that's been sitting there for a year on the shelf. It's just not as effective. So, in terms of acneogenic ingredients, there's only 2 of note, butylene glycol and vitamin E, so not a huge issue there. Okay, in terms of price, this is where this gets even better. So this is the full size 1 ounce, 30 milliliters, retails with the conversion for $12.50, making it one of the most affordable vitamin C serums out there. Highly recommend if you're bargain budget shopper, this one's worth checking out. If you're in the US, you can spend a little bit more and get free shipping, but this one's a bargain. Love it. Then in terms of the it factor, I really am happy with this one. I love it. It's probably my top 5 vitamin C of all time. Probably because I really love it. Fragrance-free, alcohol-free, good amount of vitamin C, not a ton of other ingredients which can cause irritation or breakouts. Very happy with it. Love it. It's great. So, the 10 being a perfect score, I give this one a 10. I love it. It's got the price of the ordinary with the aesthetically pleasing application properties of the SkinCeuticals. Does it get any better than that? No, it doesn't. Okay. Anyway, I'm interested in hearing from you guys if you've had a chance to check this one out yet or not, and if you have what your thoughts are, or if you've tried anything else out from Geek and Gorgeous. What have you tried from them, and how did you like it? So leave a comment. I love hearing from you guys. And stay tuned for more tomorrow. Thank you so much.